Welcome back to another episode of the Michigan Magnet Man. I'm over at my buddy Nate's house right now, and we are getting ready to hook the quad up with the trailer up to the truck and head over to his sister's house to do some riding. It has been a while since I've ridden a quad, so I'm really excited. Get the drone up, do some drone shots with some moving action. Really excited for that. If you guys have not seen, I've been posting weekly episodes of kind of my practice with my drone. These videos aren't supposed to be structured or anything. They are just me trying different shots, and as well as trying different filters on there, including the ND filters that I just bought last week. We have everything loaded up, and we are getting ready to head out to his sister's house. We'll meet you out to the property. It has been since the go-kart video since I've ridden any off-road vehicles, and I'm extremely excited to ride today. The quad we will be riding today is a 1986 LT250R. This quad, manufactured by Suzuki, is known for having an extremely light frame and being extremely good at handling. 1986 marked the year that the three-wheel all-terrain vehicle was extremely popular by enthusiasts. Suzuki knew that they were going to have trouble selling to such a niche market, so Suzuki came out with their 250R, which had a two-stroke engine and was extremely powerful and fast. With no surprise, by the end of the year, the 250R had become one of the most popular all-terrain vehicles on the market. We have everything loaded up, and we are getting ready to head out to his sister's house. We'll meet you out to the property. Nate wanted to stop and make sure he had the kickstart for the quad. All good. We have just got out to Nate's sister Shannon's house. It is a little bit windy today, so I'm sorry if there's any cut over into the sound or audio. I'll work on my best to edit it out. But I'm excited to get out and get the quads going. The sky is so blue here today, and the clouds are just non-existent. There's a couple of them here and there, if you can see, but it's a beautiful day to be out here and riding some quads. Oh, we've got the quad off, and we just got her warmed up. Nate's about to take her for the first ride. Every single morning on my commute, I always drive down these dirt roads, and I see a whole lot of wildlife out there. Mostly white-tailed deer, turkey, ducks, goats. There's a lot of animals, horses. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of glimpse into my morning routine and my morning drive every day. Now we have been out here riding this quad for a little while, and I seem to have forgotten to mention the top speed of this quad. Now, some people would argue that the speed does not go faster than 50 miles per hour, but there are many cases that have been posted on forums online where people have reached max speeds of up to 68 miles per hour on the 250R. Just from the short amount of time that we were out here riding today, I could tell what this quad was capable of. It is extremely powerful, and it packs a punch right behind on every ride. After a beautiful day out on the trails, we decided to call it a day, and we loaded up the quad up onto the trailer, and we decided to take off. That's going to be all for today's video, guys. If you like today's video, go ahead and hit subscribe and get those alerts turned on. I post new videos to my YouTube channel every single Friday, and I post new video clips to my Instagram every single day. So make sure you are following, and I will see you guys next week.